So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Tuesday, 23rd of October. Now let's just have a look at on prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we've had prices break up towards the 1277, broke below, broke above, oscillated around this 1277 for quite some time. We did see the break away from this 1277, didn't have sufficient volatility to bring us up towards a pretty strong level in around at 1304 with the added confluence of the 400 period moving average. Instead, what we did see was a breakdown from this 1277 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Breaking down from 1277, we've had price trade through to 1252. We do appear to be having a bit of a pullback from this 200 period moving average, but if we do see this continuation to the downside, very next horizontal level of nodes is at 1215. Previous scenario, we found support here on the US dollar Japanese yen, but if we do fail to hold at 1215 for support, looking to retest, going for a true test of that 1160 here to the downside. Came within a couple of pips last time. We'll see if we do get a true test. If we do see this continued sell side momentum here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If we do find support at that 200 period average or at 1215, we do see major support. Looking for that 1252 to be retested. If we do break rather than hold at 1252, if we do break above the 1252 here, looking for a move back up towards our previous highs in around that 1277, and if we can successfully navigate 1277, the very next level of nodes, of course, at 1304, slightly up below which we do have the 400 period moving average acting as a further confluence, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum coming to the market potentially from that level. Beyond 1304 to the upside, we've got the very strong level of that 1356 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If we do see that a complete reverse, then do see a pretty volatile day here to the upside. And what we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, we've had this accelerated momentum here towards beyond that 1430 here to the upside, trade a little bit towards that 1450 or so. So this sell side momentum come back into the market, take us down towards 1160, and we are seeing a bit of a pullback here from that 1160. Now this pullback has been punctuated by the odd bearish day here and there, so we have to be aware that there might be a possibility of seeing further sell side momentum, putting in what could be a lower high relative to the previous highs in around at 1450, break up that 1160, and then after which we would possibly look at a move down towards that 1073, well-established level of support and resistance. Also have the added confluence of 400 period moving average at that level, increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce, and beyond that to the downside, we're looking at a move down towards a 1020, 109.80, our previous levels before we did see this rally all the way up towards that 1450. If we do see the continuation, however, and within it, this particular channel, we'll see if we do have a slow methodical move here to the upside. If we do see a slow methodical move, we've got the 1356, 1430 key levels here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.